Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make a large batch of soap today at the church. Now you may notice something a little different. I'm standing in a different position. I usually stand over here, and when I watch the video there's a big window behind me and I notice I get in the shadow. So I'm going to stand on the opposite side and hopefully won't be in the shadow. So today I'm going to be using 4 colors. I'll be using titanium dioxide from Crafter's Choice. I'm going to be using ultramarine blue from Crafter's Choice. I'm going to be using a mixture of orange vibrance from Nurture Soap, and I'm going to strengthen that a little bit with atomic orange from Crafter's Choice. And then I'm going to be using green oxide, chrome green oxide from Crafter's Choice. As you've probably guessed from the fragrance, I'm going to be using Brambleberry's Bali Breeze, which I just absolutely love. It smells fantastic and holds its scent and behaves great. And I'm just going to do a simple drop swirl. I'm trying something a little different today. I've been having so much trouble with my soap, I think getting too hot, and it's causing the edges to bevel. It's really strange. I've never had that happen before. So I'm soaping at room temperature. I mixed it up over 24 hours ago, so let's hope. So give me a minute to get things set up and I'll get started. Okay, I can tell right now I can't stand the soap on that side. It just has me completely mixed up. So we'll just have to deal with the shadows. I went ahead and mixed up the colors because these are all oxides and pigments that take quite a good bit of stick blending. So I just went ahead and got that done and out of the way. And the last several times I've used this fragrance, it behaves so remarkably well that I will probably have to stick blend it. But we'll see. These are kind of thick right now, and that might just be because the batter is so cold. Well, it's not cold, it's room temp. As it is right now, it's really the consistency I like, so I might just get by with hand stirring this. I think I am. And I have more white intentionally. That is on purpose. Yeah, actually, I think this is a good consistency just as it is. So let's get started. And I have more white intentionally. I'm going to pour a pretty hefty amount of the white in here to start. And then we'll just start swirling them in, dropping the swirls. Pound this on the ground to flatten it out. Actually, I'm going to tap it in the windowsill. I don't have to bend over that far. And then let's work on top. Alright, not the best looking top I've ever done, but it will do. And I'm glad that I did not stick blend the fragrance. I'm glad I just left it hand stirring because that was just the perfect consistency. And let's get some rubbing alcohol on this. And I'll let that sit 5 minutes and squirt it again and put it to bed. And I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye, everybody. Okay, I'm back and it's time to cut our soap. So I didn't get the prettiest top on this one, and that was largely because I was reusing those coconut containers as pouring vessels, and it's not a good pouring vessel. The pour itself went really well because the fragrance was so well behaved. But I went ahead and cut it, and I think it's going to look really nice because here's the inside. So I think that was a really good color combination. So let's cut some bars and see what we have. Let's start with the middle. It's the biggest one. I've been getting a lot of glycerin rivers. I soaked at room temperature and I did not get glycerin rivers. So I do believe that was the key while it's really warm right now, because no glycerin rivers, yay! Oh yeah, really nice. Very nice. So let's cut some of the other bars because the drop swirl usually looks different from log to log. So let's cut another one. Let's see, this was the one side. Yep, completely different. And let's see what the other side looks like. And completely different yet again. So let's take a look at it. This is the center log. This is the outside I just cut. And this is the other outside. So yeah, really happy with this. And I will finish trimming these up and line them up and get a snapshot, and that's what I have for this week. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. And I'll see you next week. Bye everybody.